You alright?
Yeah, no, I'm good. Good shit.
Thank you, man.
Fucking about time y'all got to me.
Oh, dude, I've been in here forever, man.
I was fucking sitting there, I'm like, where the fuck am I getting? And then I see your fucking glow on your, the lens on your thing. I'm like, oh, it's too late now. Fuck it.
Oh, I'm so sorry, dude.
Nah, you're good.
The farther up we get, the better.
Okay.
Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar! Oh, Troy. Damn, dude. I got paint all over my glove. There's a guy watching us straight that way.
Where?
Straight ahead.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, shoot, he's close. He's close. I got his head down. He's close right. I got his head down, Troy. Watch out for our left.
Once you see him poke, shoot.
The bronzo!
Look curve right. Am I out? Oh, Jake.
Yeah.
I'm out.
Troy, here.
Hey. Left and right. Hey.
Eat a paintball.
Beat him up. Get him.
Everybody jumping. Was it a ricochet or did it directly hit you?
I don't know.
Because I think it might have ricocheted. I think it was a ricochet. No, I think it's just full auto.
What is your mind? You know what I love about the GoPro? It sits so much higher on my head, it makes me look tall in my videos.
What about bro? He like 5'4".
It makes me look real tall. I'm like, yeah, let's go.
It makes you look like my height.
Yeah, it does.
Probably taller, I don't know. Is it got that like almost like 360 view, sort of? Like
Whatever this to this is.
That's like 180.
I get on super view right now, I think, so. I don't know.
Like, oh man, you're so tall!
Oh, my leg.
Oh. Slap it and just stay there, right in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
Troy, you lose it, you suck.
Pick her up.
Troy!
Yo, what side do we want?
Hey, where's my gun?
That side, shade side. That side. Dang it, dude. We got the sun against us. This is gonna suck.
Here, make us feel better. Y'all can all fall out of me at once. No, wait, I'm like. Can't see. Oh no, we got the front where the sun shines on our face. I'll take it. I promise. Oh god, dude, this sun is like.
Yeah, the sun's gonna suck.
The hat kind of helps it a little bit.
No, it like glares off my mask, so it makes it 10 times worse than my paintball mask.
Oh no.
Alright, actually, Troy, you're gonna make a run for the slapstick immediately. If you get shot, well.
Hey, that ain't nice. I don't know where that is.
Oh, wait, never mind. It's deathmatch. I'm an idiot. No, that's right. Hi.
Oh, it's not on.
It is on.
The whole time.
Should be on.
It is. I see it. It's right there.
Okay.
Stop! Stop! No, wait, come here. I got advantage. I need. I can't see. I can't see.
I'm blinded by the light.
So we can't go past the halfway to the fire.
Troy, I need help! You got me in the foot! My footsie! Oh, the sun's not in my favor. Got you. Gotcha, sucker! Ha ha ha. Hit. I got my brother! I shot my brother! I shot my own flesh and blood! For Valhalla! A little bit to the right of the center. Ah, hit. Ah. No! Who pushed up the left side? Ah. You see him? Oh. I'm out. I'll just be out. I'm out. Hit. Oh. Oh.